Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. In this session, we are going to discuss most important questions related to COP26. Let's begin with the first question. Which country holds the presidency of 2021 United Nations Climate Change Conference or COP26? Correct answer is UK. Actually, this is scheduled to take place in 2020 but postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. Now let's talk about COP. COP stands for Conference of Parties. Conference of Parties. Conference of Conference Parties. It is the apex decision-making body of UNFCCC. UNFCCC. UNFCCC stands for United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Actually, it was formed in 1994 to stabilize the greenhouse emission and to protect the earth from the threat of climate change. Every year since 1995, COP members met, and UNFCCC right now has 197 members. 197 members, and first COP held in Berlin. First COP Berlin. Berlin. Third one held in Kyoto. Kyoto. It is a city in Japan. And then COP21, it's also important. It was held in France in 2015, and ISA, International Solar Alliance, it was launched in COP21, and then COP25, the most recent one is it is held in COP25, held in Madrid. It's in Spain. COP25 held under the presidency of Chile government. And move to next question. Where was the United Nations COP26 Climate Change Summit took place in 2021? So correct answer is Glasgow. Glasgow, it is a city in Scotland situated on the river Clyde. Move to next question. Who was appointed as a chairperson for the COP26 climate conference by the UK government? So correct answer is Alok Sharma. Alok Sharma is an Indian origin British politician and is presently a member of the Parliament of UK. Move to next question. Who has been named the COP26 People's Advocate? So correct answer is Sir David Attenborough. He is a conservationist and broadcaster and a historian. Move to next question. Who represented India in the COP26 in Glasgow? So correct answer is our beloved Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. So move to next question. Along with which country India and UK jointly launched Irish Initiative at COP26? So correct answer is Australia. So India, UK and Australia jointly launched IRISH at COP26. IRISH stands for Infrastructure for Resilient Island States. Move to next question. India jointly launched the Green Grids Initiative, One Sun, One World, One Grid with which country? So correct answer is United Kingdom. So Mr. Narendra Modi and British counterpart Boris Johnson jointly launched the One Sun, One World, One Grid at COP26. Move to next question. Which international organization launched the journal Solar Compass at COP26 conference? So correct answer is ISA. So ISA along with Elsevier launched an open access journal for solar research. So now let's talk about ISA. ISA stands for International Solar Alliance. It is the initiative of India, and it is launched during COP21. COP21. So headquarter in Gurugram means Haryana, and recently USA joined International Solar Alliance as a 101st member. USA recently joined USA and become the 101st member. 101st member. Now move to next question. A glacier located in which region has been named as a Glasgow Glacier to mark the COP26 summit? So correct answer is Antarctica. A glacier in Antarctica has been named as a Glasgow Glacier. It's COP26 summit. Move to next question. At COP20 summit, China has released a joint plan with which country to cut down methane emission? So correct answer is USA. Move to next question. In the COP26 climate summit, first major deal, the leaders promised to end and reverse deforestation by which year? So correct answer is 2030. So the landmark agreement reflects a growing recognition of nature's role in helping to address global warming. Move to next question. By which year India has announced to reduce the carbon emissions by 1 billion ton? So correct answer is 2030. Move to next question. During COP26, by which year did Prime Minister Modi announce net zero emissions? So correct answer is 2070. So Modi ji during the COP summit has announced that India is going to be net zero by 2070. Move to next question. By which year did Prime Minister Modi set the target of producing 500 gigawatt of clean energy during COP26? So correct answer is 2030. Move to next question. During COP26, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced to reduce the carbon intensity of the economy by what percent by 2030? So correct answer is 45%. So by 2030, India will reduce the carbon intensity of its economy by less than 45%. So move to next question. Name the declaration that was signed at the COP26 climate summit. So correct answer is Clyde Bank Declaration. So the naming of the Clyde Bank Declaration, it's a praise tribute to the heritage city and of Glasgow and River Clyde. So where the declaration was signed. So move to next question. Which country will host COP27 climate summit in 2022? So correct answer is Egypt. So Egypt is going to host COP27 in 2022, and while COP28 COP28 it is going to host by UAE in 2023. So that's it. PDF of the lecture can be downloaded from our Telegram channel. The link has been given in the description box. Please check it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.